Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
A is for asphalt, paver, laying roads smooth, see you later. B is for bulldozer, pushing dirt like a strong composer. C is for cement mixer truck, round and round goes the churning muck. D is for dump truck, loaded up and off it jumps a cluck. E is for excavator, big arm dig, see you later. F is for forklift, lifting pallets quick and swift. G is for grader, smooths the road like a magic skater. H is for hydraulic crane, lifting steel again and again. I is for impact hammer, breaking rocks with a mighty clamor. J is for jackhammer truck, breaking ground like a toddler. K is for knuckle boom crane, folds like a finger, working again. L is for loader, scooping up like a dirt exploder. M is for mobile crane, rolling in with lifting gain. N is for narrow excavator, fits in spaces, no tool greater. O is for off-highway dump truck, big wheels roll with the thunderous clunk. P is for paver machine, making roads nice and clean. Q is for quarry dump truck, heavy loads with power and pluck. R is for road roller, flattens roads smooth as a stroller. S is for skid steer loader, small but strong, a mighty motor. T is for tower crane, reaches high like an airplane. U is for underground mining loader, digs below like a treasure coder. V is for vibratory roller, buzzes and rolls like a strong controller. W is for wheel loader, lifting up boulders, bigger and bolder. X is for extreme duty dozer, built for jobs that need a closer. Y is for yard truck, moves containers with steady luck. C is for zill swing excavator, turns and digs, see you later.